What's up YouTube, Fracture Jack here, welcome back to my channel. Hope you have enjoyed the previous videos. If you haven't seen them already, go check them out, like and also share with your friends as we're trying to grow the channel. But today we're heading off to the World Famous Hawkstone Park Motocross track. It is held by the AMCA and it also is a 2-day event. So we're heading there on Sunday. It's a championship, it's absolutely glorious weather. So come along and I hope you enjoy. So guys, we just got here now. It's not too packed, but there's quite a lot of people here. So I can't wait to get in now. I'm just going to head up here. It's going to be a good day. So guys, that is the next one finished. now it's the 125, so I'll get the start for you guys. The 125 is about to start. Some very quick lads in this, so this is the start now. So guys, the race is well underway. As you can see, we have the 125, and then after we have the 85s. So it's going to be good. came here because of the 125s, but the racing here has been absolutely amazing. Next up is the 85. Just been a great day so far. We just had the 125s, that's some amazing racing, but as you've just seen, the 85s are now going up to the starting line, so it's been good so far. I'm just going to watch them now. '85 start, but now we're just going to watch them around the track. The 85 race is underway. Some really fast lads in that class, but I'll get some shots of them of the tabletop behind me and some places around the track, but repping the D&K and Potteries merch today, so I'll get them coming over this tabletop now.
Yellow flag goes out for
That is the end of the 85 race. Some fantastic racing, really quick lads out there. I'm not too sure what class is on next, but we're just going to go to the start, check it out. I'm pretty sure it's the experts, I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on it. But we have got our friend Ryan Crowder in here. He has got his YouTube channel, so it'll pop up on screen. It's just Ryan Crowder. Check it out, there's some great videos. So yeah, let's go check them out.
AMCA afterwards.
So guys, that is the end of that race. Really well done to Ryan Crowder and the rest of the guys out there. Did really good. Not too sure where Ryan came. I'll go checking him in, but really well done to you all out there. Been riding great. I'll put the class on the screen now, because I'm not too sure what it was. But overall, so far it's been absolutely amazing. That's the end of the video. Hope you have enjoyed. I will be dropping some mountain bike videos, so leave in the comments if you'd like to see that, and don't forget to subscribe to see more content just like this one. Like I said earlier, I hope you have enjoyed the previous videos. Go and check them out if you haven't already. And if this is the first video you're watching, there will be more just like this one, so subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, stay safe, keep it pinned, and I'll see you all soon.